I am sure everybody watches YouTube every day, but I don't think everyone knows we can make money by watching videos. We found out how you can make $500 per day by watching YouTube videos. To make money watching videos, you will need these 3 things. Number 1, find some entertaining videos. You must choose videos that are really entertaining to watch. Number 2 is a website that will pay you. Something that is going to pay you every time a video is watched. This is important because this is how you will earn money by watching YouTube videos. Many people skip this part, so I would highly recommend paying attention to this video to get all the details on exactly how this works. Number 3, get traffic. To make money watching videos, a lot of traffic needs to happen, and I will explain exactly how to get traffic, so you can have more videos watched and you will make more money. So let's focus on step number 1. Go over to YouTube and type in a trendy game. In this case, we're going to use the Minecraft game. Now I am doing this because this will work with the strategy that I'm going to share with you in this video. So I've typed in Minecraft here. I've chosen Minecraft because users of all ages play Minecraft. It has a huge community. There are thousands of videos that have thousands of views on YouTube. It's a really popular game. Now, if for some reason you do not want to use Minecraft, you can also type in Fortnite, which is another popular game that many people play every day. There are thousands of videos on this particular game as well. The next move is to go right over to Google, and I want you to type in YouTube trending because we must find trending videos that are popular right now. Once you do that, you will find the link at the very top here. Now click on that link, and that'll take you back over to YouTube. This is the YouTube trending page, and these are all the trending videos for the entire YouTube universe. Now click on the gaming tab right here. Once you do that, you will find the most popular games on this page. But what I'm going to do is find a trending video about the Minecraft game that I want to use in today's video. So I'm going to scroll down here and find a Minecraft video. I think this one is going to be maybe a cooler choice. So after you've chosen the video, move on to the next step. But before we proceed, welcome to the channel where I teach you the latest making money online tips and tricks. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel with the notification bell on, so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. Also, don't forget to leave a comment below what country you are in right now, because this way I will be able to create videos specifically for your country. So drop your country's name in the comments down below. Now let's get started. Go to this website, which is called Shrinkme.io. You may be wondering what Shrinkme is. This is a completely free tool where you can create short links. For every visit, you will earn money. That means if you put any video link into this website, they will take the link, switch it around, and give you a new link that you can share on the internet. When people click on that link, it will display an ad. After a few seconds, they will go to the video. In this way, this website will generate their money from the ad, and then they will give you a portion of that revenue. Now let me show you some payment proof. Here you will see recent payment proofs, and the cool thing is when you sign up for this website, you will get a free $1 to sign up bonus. The minimum payout is only $5. You can see here the payment frequency is daily, so you can get paid every single day. You can see here the payment methods are vast, which is one of the great things, so that you're not restricted to PayPal. This works everywhere in the world. This website is worldwide available. It even gives you the rates on what they will pay you based on your location. But their payout rates are dynamic. It depends on the advertising income that they receive. Sometimes the rates may increase or decrease for some countries without prior notice. Here you can see some estimated payout rates. Now click on the register button right here. Once you click on it, you will land on this page. Now enter your username, email, password, then re-enter the password. Verify this CAPTCHA. Click on this terms and condition box, then click on this register button to register with this website. Once you register with the website, you will get full access. When you log into your account, it will look something like this. You can see there are also a lot of different tools and management type features over here on the left. Now click on here where it says Settings. I want to remind you before you do this, make sure to fill out your billing address and all this information here. Most importantly, make sure to choose your withdrawal method. Otherwise, you will not be able to withdraw your money. If you're in the United States or Europe, you can go with PayPal. But if it's not available in your area, you can simply choose a different withdrawal method from here. Now let's move to the next step, which is getting traffic, because we're not going to make any money unless people watch videos. This is what this video is all about, so go over it on Google. I'm using Minecraft as the game of my choice for this particular strategy. So I'm going to go to Google and I'm going to type in the Minecraft forum. Now click on that link that will take you right over here. This is an online community forum. If you see here on SimilarWeb.com, you can see they are getting 3 million visits per month, which is incredible. Those who don't know what SimilarWeb is, this is a tool that estimates the total amount of traffic different websites get. It allows you to see competitors' top traffic sources, broken down into 6 major categories, including referring sites, social traffic, and top search keywords. They collect data from website owners, partners, and internet providers with millions of users. Anyway, back to our topic. There are a lot of people that come here. What you can do is you can participate in this forum. Again, this is an online community forum, so you can make a profile, you can engage with other users, and you can also post links. This is the main thing about this, because this is going to be a part of the strategy. But you wouldn't want to spam the forum or anything like that. You're really trying to engage and talk about anything that has to do with the Minecraft game. Post different Minecraft pictures or videos, and occasionally post your shortened link. When someone clicks on that link, watch that video. You will get paid. This can happen while you sleep, and you can keep doing this over and over. Now all you have to do is copy that link to this video. Now click on this video, click on the share button, and copy this link from here. After that, go right over to ShrinkMe. You can click right here where it says your URL here and paste your link. After this, you must do a little arrow here. Go ahead and click on that. And as soon as I click on Submit, ShrinkMe provides me with an alternative URL that I can share with people. So I could share this with my friends, family, and relatives, but it will not give you so much money. So for this particular strategy, this is something that you could share on a community forum. And when someone clicks on that link, they're going to watch a short ad, and then they will click through that, and then the video will appear. And every time someone goes through that funnel process, you get paid every time that happens. And that's the beauty of this. And you can do this as many times as you want. There are no restrictions on how many times people can click on your link or how many times people can watch your videos. It's unlimited. And that's why so many people are making too much money using this method. That's it for today's video. Don't forget to click that subscribe button with the notification bell if you don't want to miss our upcoming videos.